Wanna know how to install Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle in Android? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your phone and just simply open up your Play Store application. So once you've opened up your Play Store application, here you should be seeing search bar on the bottom. Just simply select it. And once I've selected it, here you should be seeing search apps and games. Just simply select search apps and games, and here select or sorts of Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle. So at first you should be seeing Dragon Ball Z right here. So you can just simply select the game icon to expand. You can see reviews. Once you scroll down, editor's choice, ratings as well. So once you have seen all of that, you can just simply select install right here, and then your game should start installing, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.